In today's fast-paced modern society, bread has become an essential part of the daily diet for consumers worldwide, serving as a convenient and delicious staple or snack. Behind this immense demand lies a network of industrialized bread factories operating efficiently and with a high degree of automation across the globe. So how do these bread factories achieve mass production? Today, let's uncover the secrets behind global bread production lines. The production process in modern bread factories is highly systematized. From raw material preparation to final packaging, nearly every step is controlled automatically to ensure efficiency, hygiene, and product consistency. The process begins with the preparation of raw materials. Begins with the preparation of raw materials. Before entering the production line, flour is sifted to remove impurities. Water, yeast, sugar, salt, and fats are then added in specific proportions according to the recipe and conveyed into large mixing equipment. Next comes kneading and the first fermentation. In automated mixers, the ingredients are blended into dough with good extensibility and elasticity. The dough is then transferred to a temperature and humidity-controlled fermentation room, where it ferments in a warm, humid environment, activating the yeast to produce carbon dioxide and causing the dough to expand. Once the dough reaches the desired volume, it enters the dividing and shaping stage. Here, machines divide the dough into uniformly weighted portions, then shape them using molds and forming equipment into various shapes like loaves, rounds, and sticks, preparing them for the next steps of fermentation and baking. The next stage is the second fermentation proofing. The shaped dough goes back into a fermentation chamber, allowing it to rise further and develop a light and fluffy texture. After that, the dough is transferred to a high-temperature baking area. Under preset time and temperature conditions, the bread quickly bakes and sets, developing an appealing golden crust while remaining soft and moist inside. Once out of the oven, the bread undergoes a cooling process on multi-layer cooling racks to naturally reduce its temperature. This prevents moisture condensation during packaging, which could affect bread quality. Gattily, the bread is sliced and automatically packaged. Some products are precisely sliced and then sealed, labeled, and boxed by automated packaging machines. This entire stage occurs in a closed system to avoid human contact, ensuring food safety and cleanliness. To maintain quality at every step, modern factories are equipped with intelligent quality control systems. Sensors and AI monitoring data on temperature, humidity, weight, fermentation time, and baking conditions for each batch are recorded and analyzed in real time to ensure consistent taste and quality in every loaf. It is through this rigorous and efficient industrial process that global bread factories are able to produce tens of thousands of loaves in a short time, meeting the stock demands of city supermarkets and convenience stores, and providing a stable supply to restaurant chains, schools, and businesses. From flour to finished product, the entire process involves virtually no direct human contact. Every loaf of bread is a testament to the fusion of automated industry and food technology. This not only enhances production efficiency and product standardization, but also allows this traditional food to reach dining tables around the world at unprecedented speed and scale.